This is why you need to keep your dog safe from alligators. Today, we're diving into some essential tips to keep your furry friend safe from alligators. First, let's talk about alligator habitats. These reptiles love slow-moving waters like ponds and lakes, so watch out for muddy banks and thick vegetation. Keep your dog away from these spots, especially on golf courses and park ponds. Now, on to alligator behavior. Alligators are more active in warm weather, especially at dawn and dusk. They might hiss or snap as a warning. If you hear that, steer clear. Small dogs are at higher risk, so always stay alert. When you're near water, keep your dog leashed and avoid throwing toys or food into the water. Alligator nesting areas, usually shallow waters with vegetation piles, are a no-go. If you encounter an alligator, stay calm and keep your distance. Don't let your dog approach. Call local wildlife authorities if needed. Keep your pup safe with these tips and enjoy your walks worry-free.